zone. Like me in my phone. I'ma know me if I make it if ambition alone. Because man have some
where the kitchen lighter there? Where the kitchen lighter? It's the ones when I talk about money, this song bad. Me know I hear none else about money and girl. Money and girl and this song bad. Every pan and knock. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction on Boss. Now we're back to the reaction for you guys. Guess what after that? We have Alkaline. People, this song is called We Up. Me up, she up. And that's how we don't know about the song yet. You understand? First time listening to the song, so you know what for doing, people. Wake up out of the bed. Wake up out of the bed with the fire emojis them and the like button for that song right now. Because we're going to song, we run up with the like button them. Right now we're going to 500 likes on this video, so smash the like button, people. If you click on the video, the first thing you need to do, I like the video. And then you comment the fire emoji them. That's the only thing you need to come on my channel now. You see me, I said like the video and the fire emoji them. Now comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And I post every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. You understand me? I try to say, people, because we're going for that song here. Alkaline, we up official audio. You see me, I say, them man I post once a month. Or twice every 2 months. But we don't know. Veneta fans them want to say slang bad? Me don't know. No. Run tune.
more than 30 pound a race. But if I don't be pound the list, so we have the illness them now. Go tell the cause about
Gunman song. But you think say I want to song a flex song, you know? But a gunman song. Where ask? I'm turning my phone. My phone buck. Run tune now up, people. The pause bars in full effect, you know. You see me, because if them start get back, you know. You see me, I say if you want to listen to the song without me pausing it, giving me a reaction, which you click on the video for. Link to the original song is down below in the description of my video. Go and go pray it for yourself. And don't talk about that. Run tune.
wake up, I'm smoking on the cannabis. I want my mom.
The dog said wake up, aye. You must smoke what? What? How can I run put them, you know? The man ready for the yo. He said wake up, aye. I trouble. Go on.
In the grind, I'm watching like an analyst. Now stop shy.
What am I watching for? Hold on. One hour watch Veneta bastard. Stop watch the man, no man. Stop watch the man. That's all I do. I elevate him more. So my must use to that advantage. Go on. Run tune. Right? Everybody say run tune. Run tune.
Oh, bless the man, no cuss up. Talk it and nigga some. I forget the girl how much my pay that.
Yeah. No one like that. Every part of that. What the point them there? What? What's your style, man? Every part of that to there. Go on.
No boy, not give me the chat, not to the burn, I know my buckle.
Yeah.
Mad them for see how we are flash. Yeah, we up. Take care of me business every time.
We up. Stop give the man chat. Don't give the man the chat. Every part of knocking the man here, so now wake up out of the bed. Me care about you now. Look it up. Go on.
Are the only thing that on my mind.
Yep.
Chala, gotta get him on day. I feel make sense and live. Yeah, do me.
Dave, you can't live on me. I must say I forget the bumbo cleat. Right, you come. Come. Wake up out of the bed. Yo. We do our people. What we do? We up. Red June.
Take care of me business every time. Are the only thing that on my mind.
See that? Man say I'm up. Take care of business any time. What they on the mind? What do you want to do on the mind? People, if you don't like the video right now. If you don't like the video right now. You're not supposed to click on the video, people don't like the video, you know. And say if you're new over here, so subscribe for the madness. Because we up. No run tune.
Chala, gotta get him on day. Hard work while he pound.
Him say money in the youth. Hold on there. Take up look at $1 bill. I don't feel like. What do I feel like? $1 bill one day. Yeah. Look at $1 bill them. Ready? Run tune.
Time to rest. Go back them all in one for play checkers and not chess. I rookie them. When I see them, watch them afraid. Man, I win.
The man cut the instrumental and mash it up, people. The man cut the rhythm and mash it up. Buckley, don't knock it out. Go. You know, run back in that song. Go. Go on.
Google back them all in one for play checkers and not chess. A rookie them, when I see them, watch them afraid. Man, I win and I
I can't only play a draft. I can't play chess and I can't play checkers. Sorry. You see the board? Wait, let me see what I'm about to ask. That's it, yeah. Me can't play them white party and them party and all of the part. I can't play the black part them. I will use the white one them alone. Me can't do it. I'm not scared of the Wonderline again. No, I'm sorry. Yesterday in the last video, I'm scared to be Wonderline blood. I'm not scared of the Wonderline. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not scared of the Wonderline. Scared of them, I do. And tune.
But fans say we are the best, no art we tell. Who a go get that to the doctor? Patient we tell you we want better. Us we a pre-bag a car, get a slurp on the star.
That's a pretty bag of care. Get a slurp on the star. Yeah, I don't think about the song, but I really know it. Which one me tell you something? One thing about the song. You see me I say, I'm just listen to the song before I watch my video. So what I really, I mean, I'm not honest opinion on the song. You know, say me a Tyrekevlogs now. We are reaction boss, we are clash hype man and say for song. You see me I say, I go hype it up. You see me? But you go on so far. What do you think about the song though? I want to get from listening to this song. You see me I say, run tune.
Me and the ups, them a bar, your mad neighbor. Good thing whenever front of people just imagine. Wouldn't take
Man, I say, man, the ups them apart. I let him just say a while ago. When I'm saying now I go back in because I take up too much time. I like long video them. But why was a while ago? When them apart? Go on here, man.
you know what's more like a lot in a angel don't like that them don't like. Don't worry if me alright, do not again. Just know we
John no star, man, don't worry if him alright. Cause I'm not here because what? We up, bumbo clad, dog. Like up the video. Like up the video, people. This is the time for you to like the video, dog. Intimation time, dog. Like the video, dog. Bumbo clad. Water break. Water break. I'm get a water break in that video. Who do you like my best? When I get a water break in a mega one video. Take a water break. Check your temperature, man. You need to cool on. Take a water break now, man. I'm buckle. You ready to eat again now? Babies, baby girls, Vendetta girls, ready again? Run tune.
take care of my business every time. I the only thing that on my mind. Work for nobody in no costume.
Alright. So, what have the second verse now, no people? What have the second verse now, no people? You did me I say? What have the second verse now? Say, no, we're going to do the second verse, so go say so. That's how we're going to say what the second verse. You see me? Let's just go. You ready? See that now?
In my zone, like me in my phone. I'ma know me if I make it if I'm mission alone. Man have some
where the kitchen lighter there? Where the kitchen lighter? It's the ones when I talk about money, this song bad. Me know I hear none else about money and girl. Money and girl and this song bad. Every pan a knock. Well, every frisbee a knock. You hear me I say? But once a money and girl with a fat put on it, be a fire. Go on!
James. Watch you not take over your attack one. Nothing do nothing for
Where the flow you come from? See all them things you tune on. You just bad so. You just straight the flow on people so. More or less this time say, Alkaline that. Them sounds are different. Something else because I was switch the flow on so. What really do? Yes, run tune. You know, you like the video. You like the video yet? You know, like you over watch the video and like the video yet? Like the video and comment the fire emoji right now if you song back. You see me I say? No, run tune.
me have them gyal in my pants. One pool get me on the land yard space take up about 3 hours than a fan.
Money to like this. You see my girl? Me don't talk it up because me like so me the artist really come and go on about girl. You see my girl? I'm my girl. My girl. But your girl and my girl and your girl. Because she are mine. My brownie not. Run through!
No, delete that jump. Rain all falling on the club when we are stuck. If you do it like that, you're fool. If you're not seeing any game, get that. We up.
Nah fool. Me say, I miss the song for a real note. But like say, I miss the song, you know. But for the level, I need for see you tomorrow, we up. Official review. As so far, so no fast. I forgot my bed last night. But I say still. We don't say, see you tomorrow. See the more review than the face tag. Rascal, terror done. Lord Clark. We can't bet any money so the mother find something that's how you say, yo. Alkaline show shape and such man. You see me? Once I do it, but I don't know. I don't know. I need to go, man. Make the song different for that. I don't review now. I tell you already the reaction. Boss, I do reactions. If I want audio, me react to the audio. Every time I play it to a tone. But go on, because we up.
You know me business every time, we up. But the only thing that on me mind, we up. I gotta get him money. I
Of course,
him money.
Man, I start sing. Man, I start sing. People, it's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction. Boss! Did you like the video yet? Did you drop the fire emojis them yet? If you did that, comment the number 5 so you make it to the end of the video. 5. I'm out.